The best advice that I can offer to new entrepreneurs, I think it will be to keep calm. Okay, keep calm because you must to analyze the market first to launch your startup. Because you must to be very careful with financial statements, the technical challenges in the market, because sometimes it's, a lot of entrepreneurs has a lot of rush about, okay, I have my idea, I don't want that anyone copy the idea or launch it in the market, I don't want to be the last company. Well, this is not true. To be honest, sometimes it's very, very easy that it's possible that you delay 6 months your project and you have more information about the market and you can make less mistake if you wait 3-6 months discussing with potential customers or with looking for another partners or potential distributor or people who give you a feedback about the market and the idea, okay? Because sometimes the ideas could be fantastic today, but not in the 6 or 1 year, but you have not information about the market trends or the technology evolution.